What is the use of verbose in Keras while validating the model? I'm running the LSTM model for the first time. Here is my model. What is the use of verbose while training the model?
Check documentation for model.fit here. By setting verbose 0, 1 or 2, you just say how do you want to see the training progress for each epoch. Verbose equals 0 will show you nothing, silent. Verbose equals 1 will show you an animated progress bar like this. Verbose equals 2 will just mention the number of epoch like this.
Verbose column integer 0, 1, or 2. Verbosity mode. Verbose equals 0, silent. Verbose equals 1, progress bar. Verbose equals 2, 1 line per epoch.
For verbose is greater than 0, fit method logs. Loss, value of loss function for your training data, accuracy value for your training data. Note, if regularization mechanisms are used, they are turned on to avoid overfitting. If validation_data or validation_split arguments are not empty, fit method logs. Val_loss, value of loss function for your validation data, val_acc, accuracy value for your validation data. Note, regularization mechanisms are turned off at testing time because we are using all the capabilities of the network. For example, using verbose while training the model helps to detect overfitting, which occurs if your keeps improving while your val_it gets worse.
If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing.